Hi. The last small springs for the headlights came just before Christmas, so all 4 headlights is now installed, and it's looking good, I will say, to see some headlights on the car. Also, just before Christmas, it has not been installed yet. Both wiring harnesses, both for the passenger side over here and for the driver side, came, so they are ready to be installed. I'm serious considering, by serious I mean I'm 99.9% sure that I will also buy the dash harness at some point, because if the other ones were messed up, why shouldn't this one be? I think it's over here. No, it's not. Okay. But I'm pretty sure that it's been hacked up like the others, and the others are not even from the car, so why should the dash be from the car? Besides that, the steering column has been assembled again. It's been a bit disassembled. I had to take out the what's it called in English? This one for the key. So that came out, and also while I was at it, I think I said that in another video, that I cut off the aluminium casted piece here for the shifter. That came out, so that hole has been closed. I took some of this metal thing here and I glued it up with some fiber, and then I bonded it in very nice, and now it's got some spray filler and are waiting to be dry. After this one has dried up, then I will take satin black semi-gloss and spray it with that. After that, then I will install the sensor column in the car, so I can start looking. Before that, I will start to assemble the pedals here and install the bracket that also came just before Christmas. A used from a 71 Chevelle, I think it was, compared to the hacked up from whatever car it was, I do not know. This one. So that will be installed in the car with the pedals for the clutch and all this, so I can get the booster installed in the car, and then I assume that the steering column will go into the car. So that is what I expect the progress will be within a couple of weeks. Steering column in the car, bracket and pedal arrangement will be installed, booster, and also the master cylinder, and the propulsion valve of course will also be installed. Yes, I think that was it for today. Thanks.